Pretend that you're a spy, and all of a sudden this packet of information lands on your lap from nowhere. It says define f of 7. So first of all, this right over here is called a function. This is the letter name of the function, so it's the function f. This right over here is the input. This is all that good stuff that helps you solve your mission. So when you're given this packet of information that says define f of 7, you first look at the name of it, f. Are we talking about the same mission? Yes, so this matches up. Now we go to the next thing, the input right over here, and think of this like a keypad. X, it can be anything. This password can be anything in the whole entire world, but you were given the password right over here, 7. They want you to see what the answer would be if you input 7 in there. So you're given that password that you put into this keypad. So you take away this X right over here, and instead you substitute it for 7. All of a sudden things start turning, and this massive door opens that leads to all of this over here, all this good stuff. And just like you substituted 7 for X over here, every time you see an X in this section, you will substitute it for 7. So out goes this X right over here, and we're going to substitute that for 7. And just for reference, that was a 2X, which 2 is being multiplied by X. I hope you know this by now. This is going to be 2 times 7 is going to be 14. And just like that, we've solved our mission. F of 7 equals 14. So let's try another example because this is a lot of fun. How about something like this? Well, it's very similar, but now you might see, hey, there's an H right over here. Yeah, that's the letter name of this mission or of this function. It has the letter H as the name. You get this packet of secret information that lands on your lap from nowhere. And it's telling you to define H of 4. So you're given the password right over here to input in your keypad. So we're going to take away this X because now we do know what number is supposed to go in there, and that's going to be 4. Now things start turning and this massive door opens, and you're given access to all of these files. And every time you see an X, you're going to substitute it for the number 4. So this X right over here is going to be substituted for the number 4. So what's 4 squared? That's 16. So we can write 7 plus 16 minus 2. What's 7 plus 16? That's 23. 23 minus 2 equals 21. So just like that, our answer is 21. So right over here, we're going to write 21. Just like that, we've solved our mission. H of 4 equals 21. Now, if you're given this packet of information and you're told to define H of 10, well then we would input a 10 in here and it would spit out a different answer. But think of it like this. You have this keypad right over here where we have to input this certain password or this certain number, and you're given that number when you're told to define something. And when we're evaluating functions, they're telling you, hey, when I give you this number, this input number, and you input it into your function, what number am I going to get? And that's 21 right there. So I hope this video was helpful, and like always, stay positive.